again guys. So, ito na nga after I arrange a vegetable. Ito na nga after I arrange a vegetables. Here now I want to wash the meat and chicken, fish like that. But now I buy a small lang. Yeah, makunti lang yung binili ko ngayon dahil kami lang. It's a very small buy chicken. Before I buy a plenty, but now I think next week I buy a plenty chicken and fish. But now it's a very small lang muna, and I wash first this one before to put a freezer because I want to clean before to put a ref, freezer like that. So yun, now I start. I'm sorry guys, it's a very noisy here. Mini chicken outside the backyard. That's why. And now, let's go. Let's. Guys, it's dark. It's dark. I want to remind to all, this is not a final wash. If I want to cook this one, for example, I want to cook this one, if is next day I wash again, this is not final wash. This is a wash for first, then if I cook I wash again, and it's not I mean not only one wash, not only wash one, you need to wash like that. Guys, I'm done to wash I'm done to wash fish and chicken like that. So I wanted to cook for lunch today, and this is for lunch today. I want to marinate first. This is a pusit, big pusit and chicken. I make atino chicken today, and adobong pusit. Adobong pusit here today. So yun lang everyone, hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo ang aking nagawa kanina ng chicken. Dinala ko siya sa plastic. So bago ko inilagay sa freezer. Now I'm here in kitchen, so I am ready to cook. I want to marinate first chicken and pusit. Thank you so much everyone. God bless to all. See you in my next video. Bye!